Finding a seat.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you. I've been walking for a while, so it's nice to sit down and rest. I know the feeling. I've been waiting here for my friend. Oh, really? Are you meeting someone nearby? Yes, she's running a little late, so I thought I'd relax on this bench. That makes sense. I'm actually waiting for my cousin, too. It's a beautiful day to be outside, isn't it? It really is. The weather is perfect. Not too hot and not too cold. Exactly. I enjoy spending time in the park whenever I have some free time. Me too. It's peaceful and it's a great place to take a break from a busy day. Do you come here often? Not very often, but whenever I do, I always enjoy the fresh air and quiet surroundings. I feel the same way. Sometimes it's nice to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. Absolutely. By the way, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Emma. Nice to meet you too, Emma. Hopefully our friends arrive soon. I'm sure they will. It was lovely chatting with you. Likewise, have a wonderful day. You too.
In the supermarket.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for today?
I'm trying to find the milk, but I can't seem to see it.
No problem. The milk is in the refrigerated section at the back of the store, just past the yogurt aisle.
Thank you. And where can I find the bread?
The bakery section is on the left side of the supermarket. You'll find fresh bread there.
Great. I also need a dozen eggs.
The eggs are right next to the milk in the dairy section.
That's convenient. Are they easy to find?
Yes, just look for the large refrigerator with the dairy sign above it.
Perfect. I also need some butter.
The butter is on the shelf beside the eggs.
Wonderful. That saves me a lot of time.
Is there anything else you're looking for?
No, I think that's everything on my shopping list.
Excellent. If you need any more help, just let me know.
Thank you very much for your kindness.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too. Happy shopping. In the stranger on the street.
Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the nearest bank. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I do. It's not very far from here.
That's great. Could you tell me how to get there?
Sure. Walk straight along this street for about 2 blocks.
Okay, walk straight for 2 blocks.
Then you'll come to a large traffic light.
I see.
Turn left at the traffic light and continue walking for about 3 minutes.
Turn left and walk for 3 minutes.
Exactly. You'll see a supermarket on your right.
A supermarket on the right.
Yes, the bank is directly opposite the supermarket.
Opposite the supermarket. Got it.
It's a tall building with a blue sign, so it's easy to recognize.
Perfect. Is there an ATM outside the bank?
Yes, there's an ATM right next to the main entrance.
Wonderful. That's exactly what I need.
You should reach it in less than 10 minutes.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye and good luck.
In the clothing store.
Excuse me. Could you help me find a light red dress?
Of course. Are you looking for something casual or more formal?
I'm looking for a casual dress that I can wear every day.
We have several light red dresses in the women's section. Please follow me.
Thank you. This one looks really nice.
It's one of our most popular styles. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Where are the fitting rooms?
They're just around the corner on the right. I'll unlock one for you.
Great. I'll be back in a moment.
It looks wonderful on you. The color suits you very well.
I really like this dress. It fits me perfectly. I think I'll buy it. Does it come in any other sizes?
Yes, but this size looks like the best fit for you.
Perfect.
I'll take this one.
Excellent choice. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Certainly. Please follow me to the checkout counter.
Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new dress and have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.